Hello guys, so today I'm going to answer to 10 of the most popular questions in MS Excel interviews. So I'm not going to be more in details guys because I've explained already all this stuff in my previous videos in MS Excel. So if you haven't yet watched that video, I'll advise you to pause this video and watch that other videos. But if you still want to watch this one, don't worry guys, you can still understand this because they are the basic things in MS Excel. But sometimes, it happens that you have forgotten or you are not much confident about the things you already know. So I hope this video is going to be helpful for all of us. So let's just dive in. First question is rename the sheet 3 as Excel test. That's a very simple question, guys. So this is the sheet 3. So what you need to do, just hover your mouse on the sheet 3, right click, and then find rename. You can just rename it as Excel test, right? And hit enter, it's done. And our question number 2 is find the maximum number in units column. So where is units column? We have a units column right there. So they're asking us to find the maximum number. What they're asking us is to use the maths formula. Every formula in MS Excel always start with equal sign, then comes maths function. You can just double click on it, and then we need to give the range. Like I need, because they said we should find it from the units column, right? This is the range from this first value up to this last value. Close the parentheses and then hit enter. So the maximum number is 95. So we have answered to our second question. And guys, our third question is bold the heading and add color in the background. So where's the heading? This is the heading. What we need to do now is just to bold it. To do that, first of all, you select the heading and come in the on tab. You're going to find the font here, bold it, and then from here you can give it any color as you wish. There, it's done, guys. And next question being concatenate cell M7 and N7 content. So this is the cell M7, right? When you press on the cell, then you can see the name on the left side right here. They didn't say where we should put it, so I think we can just write it here, the result. And for that, we just need to type equal, then there is this function in Excel which is concat, right? And then we are just going to select M7 and N7, right parentheses, and then hit enter. Now next question is save this file on desktop, right? So here they have specified where we need to save this file. So come on file and then press on save as, and from browse you can find your desktop, right? I think my desktop is right here. So I've selected my desktop, and then I can maybe change the name or keep the same name and then press on save. Our file is saved on a desktop. And this brings us to our next question, which is give a rupee currency sign to unit cost. So we need first of all to find the unit cost. There it is. This is our unit cost. Then these numbers, right? So they want us to give a rupees currency sign. For that, you need first of all to select the given data, and then in home you have some groups here. Just find number. This is number, and here we have currency, right? Just press there. Right now it is dollars, so if I press there, it's going to be dollar sign, but this is not what is demanded. But this is not what they want. What they want is Indian currency, right? So I have it right here because I've used it recently. But if you don't find it, you have more accounting formats right there. From there, you can find more currencies. So now we just need to press on Indian currency, rupees, right? There it is. And our next question is sum up the quantity units of pencil using the sum if formula. Oh, they have even given us which formula we need to use here. So they want us to sum up the quantity unit. Where's the quantity unit? So we have there it is. We have unit quantity there, right? Unit quantity. So we need to sum up the unit quantity, this unit quantity only for pencil. Where comes, okay, there it is. We have pencil, right? We have many items here, but only pencil. we need to sum up of this pencil, only pencil. So for that, they said using sum if formula. And for that, we're just going to use sum if formula. This is very simple, guys. You remember I explained it in my previous video. You can just find the link in the description and you're going to learn much about sum if function or formula. All right. So for this sum if function, we have three arguments. The first argument, I'm going to give the range. The range is these items here, right? I can just drag all the way down, right? This is my range. When I'm done with the first argument, I have to put a comma. Then the criteria, we need to sum up only pencil, right? Then I select pencil. I can select it this way, or I can also put it in double quotes, like the way, just as it is given in the question itself, right? And when I'm done, I just have to put the comma and then the sum range. We need to sum up the units quantity. Then I give my range. I'm done. Right, parentheses and hit enter. So that is the sum of pencil quantity unit. It's done. Next question is center the serial number column both horizontally and vertically. Where is the serial number? There it is. So okay, we need to, as you can see, guys, it's just in the corner lonely. We need to center it here horizontally and vertically. So first of all, we select the cell, then in on tab we are going to find alignment right here. So we need to align it horizontally and vertically. There it is, just like that, right? We're almost done, guys. So the second last question goes like, change the page orientation and landscape. Okay, so to change the page orientation and landscape, we don't need to select anything. We are already on this sheet. So for that, we just need to come on page layout, right? And from here, you're going to find in page setup, you're going to find orientation right here. Press on orientation, and here we have portrait, which is up down, and landscape, which goes like left and right. Okay, so you just need to press on landscape. Done. And then we have our last question for today. Fit this document into one page so that you can print it. Okay, so guys, for this question, you see it's very simple, right? By default, Excel will print out from column A up to column J, right? So it goes like 10 column, 10 column. So if we don't do anything and we just go directly in printing, we are going to get from column A up to J, right? So all the rest will be out, right? So now let's see it. Just going file, print. Where's print? There, print. You see what we get up to unit quantity. And this, you see, up to unit quantity. And this is out of this line, right? So now the question is, we need now to specify which area of our sheet we want to print. And for that, we just need to select which area we want to print, right? Little bit down. Okay, let's say we want to print this part here. So we select the part, right? And you come here in page layout, you're going to find print area. And you're going to find this very first set print area option here. Press on that and it's done. And from now, if we try to print it, let's see, where's the print? Yeah, if you try to print it, you're going to get all this on your page, right? So that's it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed watching us. If you have any suggestion, if you have anything you want us to know, please drop it all in the comment section. We'll go through that. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. Hit the ring bell so that you get notified when we come up with the second part of these interview questions on this How to Do Technology channel. With this being said, guys, thanks for watching once more again. See you in the next video. Bye bye.